Did you know that credit card issuers have a secret to help you save even more money when you use their credit cards? Hey everyone, Eric here, and welcome back to this week's What's Happening in the Credit Card World, where I give you updates and new deals that you'd otherwise might miss due to various reasons. The last thing I want as a credit card YouTuber is for my audience to miss out on new rewards and new deals that would have otherwise helped them save even more cash back when using their own credit cards. Again, while all of this information can be found on websites like doctorofcredit.com and 1mileatatime.com, some people just don't have the time to read it all. So consider this an audiobook or a visual book for weekly updates about the credit card world that just might pique your interest. Granted, some of these deals might expire by the time you watch this video, so please consider subscribing to keep up with the latest updates. Also, according to YouTube analytics, only a very small portion of you that watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please consider subscribing to help me on my quest to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can push out even better content for everyone. So with the intros being done, let's get into this week's updates. As you may know, I've been hyping up Capital One as they continue to push the meta in the credit card world. Upgrades and improvements month after month that started when they launched their new premium travel credit card, the Capital One Venture X card, back in November of 2021. And speaking of the Venture X card, well, here's another upgrade. News broke out last Tuesday that Capital One added the Plaza Premium Lounge network to their Lounge Access Perk. That means that now you have both the Priority Pass with 1,300 plus lounges and the Plaza Premium's 100 plus lounges, which surprisingly enough doesn't really come as a surprise, as the Capital One Lounge in Dallas-Fort Worth is actually operated by Plaza Premium. Competitively, I'm sure this creates some headaches for Capital One's direct competitors, American Express and Chase. While American Express does have the Centurion Lounge network, Plaza Premium, Priority Pass, Delta Sky Club, and Airspace, its Priority Pass access has a bit of a small asterisk. It doesn't access the non-lounge areas such as restaurants or spas. Chase has it even worse because as of right now, they only have the Priority Pass as a Lounge Access Perk. They keep on boasting about how they'll be adding 9 Chase Sapphire lounges throughout 2022 to 2024, but as of this moment, none of them are actually physically done. And also, apparently the Chase Sapphire lounges will be a part of the Priority Pass network, so Capital One and American Express both have access to Chase's lounges. Not all is bad on the Chase front, however. There is a small win coming from them this week as well. For those of us out there that holds the Chase Freedom Flex or the OG Freedom credit cards, Chase has just announced Q3's rotating category. Starting July 1st, 2022 and ending on September 30th, 2022, those with the Freedom Flex and the OG Freedom credit cards will earn 5% back at gas stations, car rentals, movies, and live entertainment. Pretty synonymous with the summer. It's like Chase is telling us to go outside and play. For those of us out there, myself included, that got the Chase Freedom Flex this year, you might remember that we get 5% back on gas as a part of our sign-up bonus. So then how does this offer affect us? Will we stay at 5% or will we actually get even more? Good news, we'll actually be earning even more. Meaning that 5% rotating category will tack on top of your 5% back on gas, giving you 9% total back every time you're at the pump. Now, if you're a little confused as to why 5% plus 5% equals 9%, don't worry, I was a little confused as well. Doing a quick search, I realized that the 5% is split up as 1% that's effective on all purchases ever, and then on top of that, Chase adds 4% bonus on gas. And since you can't really repeat that 1% on everything everywhere all at once, it turns into 1% on everything, 4% gas bonus, and with the new rotating category of gas, I'll just add another 4% to that, totaling to 9%. It's weird, I know. Unfortunately, I don't make the rules here, Chase does, so we'll just have to go with that. But hey, 9% is better than our original 5%, right? Also, one more thing, I'd highly suggest you do not use your Chase Freedom Flex or the OG Freedom on car rentals. One thing that car rentals will always need is rental car insurance, which the Chase Freedom Flex and the OG Freedom cards do not have. If you have either of the Chase Sapphire credit cards, however, that's the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Reserve, I'd highly recommend you book car rentals with those instead. Rental car insurance can be pretty expensive, and both the Sapphire credit cards have primary rental car insurance. Up next, we have a new highest sign-up bonus for the American Express Gold Card. There's been reports of seeing 100,000 membership reward points after spending $4,000 or more within the first 6 months of account opening. Remember how last week I reported on a 90,000 membership reward points plus 20% back on restaurants? Well, I guess that offer is gone. The American Express Gold Card is a fantastic credit card to have if it fits your lifestyle, especially since there has never been a higher offer of pure reward bonuses since now. So if you can reason with a $250 annual fee with $240 of statement credits that you could or could not use, plus you earn 4x at restaurants and supermarkets, 3x on flights, and then 1x on everything else, try your luck with American Express's new know if you're approved for a credit card with no impact to your credit score credit card approval system. Alright, let's introduce a new segment to these videos. The lightning round. Pretty self-explanatory. This segment is for news that is still really relevant, but just don't need a lot of time to explain. Alright, if everyone's ready, let's get started. The Chase Sapphire Reserve has just gotten an upgrade to its sign-up bonus. The previous 50,000 point offer has now been increased to 60,000 points, and just a reminder for those of you out there with a Chase login, you can get a 70,000 point offer. Spending is still the same at $4,000 spent within the first 3 months of account opening. If you want to learn more about the Chase Sapphire Reserve and everything it has to offer, here's a link to a video that I made that explains everything that you need to know. Speaking of sign-up bonus increases, the Citi Premier card has just increased as well. Citi is now offering a limited time sign-up offer of 80,000 bonus points when you spend $4,000 or more within the first 3 months of account opening. If you want to learn more about the Citi Premier card, here's a link to a video that explains everything by me. Next up, Best Western is offering a free night certificate when you stay 2 nights at any Best Western location. Please note that the free night voucher is only redeemable on Sundays through Thursday nights, and it also expires on February 16, 2023, so you have about 6 months to use them. Next up, I know that the crypto market is down and all, but Coinbase is offering $10 Ethereum for every $100 in Ethereum that you stake up to $500. Although, do your own research, because if you know anything about the cryptocurrency space, you'll realize that there's not really a definitive timetable of when Ethereum 2.0 will be released. So technically, when staking Ethereum, your money could be trapped forever for the foreseeable future. And now it's actually a tip, not really news, for this week. Credit card issuers like Chase, Capital One, American Express will periodically actually push out offers for specific restaurants and shops. However, it's up to us, the consumers, to automatically activate these deals to save even more money when using our credit cards. This is my own personal Chase account. I'm pretty sure everyone has a similar setup. However, for those of you out there that didn't know, if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page, you'll see a block called Chase Offers. This is where you'll see new deals that are periodically offered. By activating something like Chipotle, not only will you get 3x dining points with something like the Chase Freedom Flex, you'll also get 10% cashback on top of that. Don't believe me? Well, here's a snapshot of my McDonald's order that had a 10% cashback offer in the past. Not only did I get the 3x points because McDonald's is considered dining, but Chase also credited me with $2 cashback for the order. So, the more you know. Alright, those were the most relevant deals that I saw for the week of June 13th, 2022. If I helped you save money this week, feel free to leave a like and also leave a comment down below to let me know. Also, feel free to subscribe. It's free, it doesn't really hurt you at all, and ring that notification bell to receive up-to-date news and deals, and to help me reach that 1,000 subscriber milestone. These videos in the meantime will come out every single weekend on Saturdays at 12 p.m. Eastern Time and 9 a.m. for those of you out there on the West Coast. And with that all being said, thank you for watching as always. Stay safe out there, everyone. Peace.